Hi friends, welcome to Edupedia world. This is Varun Ganga. Friends, in our last session we have seen some examples regarding how to find the cube of a given 4-digit number by using Yavadunam Sutra as well as Edupedia Sutra. In this regard, now in this session we are going to have a look of one more example regarding with the same concept. So why to wait? Let us see what that example is. The example that I am going to take in this session is find the cube of 1035. So friends, in order to find the cube of a given 4-digit number, we do have some parts of process that we have to follow. So here the first part of process that we have to do is the left part. So here in the left part, the first step what we have to do is we have to find the nearest base of the given number. So here the given number is 1035 and the nearest base for this number is 1000. After finding the nearest base, moving to step number 2, what we have to do is we have to find the excess. And this excess is found out by comparing the given number with the base. So here the given number is 1035, on the base what we have got is 1000, and if you compare these two numbers, we get an excess of 35 and this is taken as our excess. After finding the excess, now moving to step number 3, what we have to do here is we have to multiply the excess with 3. So therefore by multiplying 35 into 3, we get 105 as the product. And after getting this product should be added to the base what we have got. So therefore by adding 1000 plus 105 we get 1105, and this 1105 is regarded as the required left part. After completing the process of left part and moving to the process of middle part, the first step what we have to do is we have to take the answer, that is the answer what we have got in the left part, and we have to find the nearest base for this answer. So here the answer what we have got is 1105 and the nearest base for this number is 1000, and the excess it is found out by comparing the numbers 1105 with the number 1000. So friends, if we compare these two numbers, that is 1105 with 1000, we get an excess of 105 and it is taken over here. After finding the nearest base and excess, now moving to step number 2, now what we have to do here is we have to multiply the new excess, that is 105, with the actual excess, that is 35. So therefore by multiplying 105 into 35 we get 3675 as the product. After finding this product and this product, now it is regarded as the required middle part. After completing the process of middle part and moving to the process of right part, the first and last step what we have to do here is we have to cube the actual excess what we have got. So the actual excess what we have got is 35. So therefore we have to find the cube of 35. So friends, 35 it is a 2-digit number. In order to find the cube of a 2-digit number, it is somewhat bit difficult for us to find. So now what I am going to do here is I am going to apply Edupedia Sutra in order to find the cube of 35, in short, at my best. So friends, at first we have to write the numbers like this: 3 cube, 3 square into 5, 3 into 5 square, and 5 cube. After writing all these numbers like this, now let us place some horizontal and vertical bars like this. Now what we have to do here is we have to write the answers of all these numbers below the horizontal bar. So if you do 3 cube, you get 27, and 3 square into 5 we get 9 into 5, which is equals to 45, and 3 into 5 square we get 3 into 25, which is equals to 75, and 5 cube we get 125. After writing all the answers, let us place one more horizontal bar. And now what we have to do here is we have to double the numbers that are in second part as well as in third part. So if you double the number that is in third part, we get 150. And if you double the number in second part, we get 90. Now let us place one more horizontal bar. Now what we have to do here is we have to add up the answers that are in this row with the answers that are in the below row. So here if you observe in the fourth part, we don't have any numbers to add up. So therefore I am writing 125 as it is over there. And here in the third part, if you observe, we are having two numbers, that is 75 and 150. If we add up these two numbers, we get 225. And in the second part, we are having 45 and 90. If you add up these two numbers, we get 135. And in the first part, we don't have any numbers to add up. So therefore, we have to write this 27 as it is in the first part like this. Now, let us place one more horizontal bar below each. So friends, I hope that you know we are finding the cube of a 2-digit number by using Edupedia Sutra. So here in the second part, in the third part and the fourth part, we should have only one digit. But in first part, we can have as many digits as we want. So therefore now what I am going to do here is I am going to take the digit that is in ones place in the fourth part answer, that is 5, and the remaining digit 12 I am taking as carry on to the next part, that is to the third part, and I am going to add to it. So therefore, by taking this 12 to the third part and by adding, we get the new sum 237. Again, if you observe the number 237, it is a 3-digit number. So therefore, we have to take 7 in our answer, and the number 23 should be taken as carry on to the second part. So by taking this 23 as carry on and by adding to 135, we get 158 as the answer. Again, if you observe 158, it is a 3-digit number, so therefore we have to take the digit in ones place, that is 8, and the remaining digits, that is 15, should be taken as carry on to the first part, and we have to add to it. So by taking this 15 and by adding to 27, we get 42 as the answer. Now let me place one more horizontal bar and let me write all the answers what I have got. So here in the fourth part we got 5, in the third part we got 7, and in the second part we got 8, and in the first part we got 42. And by combining all the digits or all the answers what we have got in all the parts, we get the final answer, that is 35 cube is equals to 42,875. And this 42,875 is regarded as the required right part. Now after finding all the answers of all the parts, that is the left part, the middle part and the right part, we have to write all these answers in an order. So let us write all these parts. So here I have written the left part answer, that is 1,105, and 3,675 it is the middle part, and the final part, that is the right part answer, that is 42,875. After writing all these parts, let us place some horizontal and vertical bars like this. So friends, I think you know that we are finding the cube of a 4-digit number, and therefore we have to take 3 digits in right part as well as in middle part, and in the left part we can have as many digits as we want. So friends, if we observe the right part answer what we have got, it is a 5-digit number, so therefore we have to take the last 3 digits, that is 875 in our answer, and the remaining digits, that is 42, should be taken as carry on, and we have to add this 42 to middle part answer, that is 3,675. By adding, we get a new answer, that is 3,717. Again, it is a 4-digit number, so therefore we have to take the last 3 digits, that is 717, and the remaining digit 3 should be taken as carry on to the left part answer. So by adding this 3 to 1,105, we get 1,108. Now let me place one more horizontal bar below it. Now let us write all the answers in all the parts what we have got. So here in the right part we have got 875, in the middle part we got 717, and in the left part we have got 1,108. By clubbing all the answers what we have got, we get the final answer, that is 1035 cube is equals to 1,108,717,875. So friends, this is the way how we can use Yavadunam Sutra as well as Anurupena Sutra in finding the cube of a given 4-digit number. I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Yavadunam Sutra and Anurupena Sutra. So friends, in the next session we will be having some more examples regarding with the same concept. For watching this video, thank you, have a nice day.